Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. You can see amazing and worldwide best ideas for gardening in at this channel. Guys, today in this video we can show top tips for an eco-friendly garden. Today in this my video, guys, please new viewers watch till the full my videos and enjoy the video. If you don't forget subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So guys, let's move to our topic. So guys, please watch till the full my video at the end and enjoy my video. In recent years, eco-friendly or green gardening has emerged as a growing trend among garden enthusiasts and environmentalists. By embracing sustainable practice, gardeners can create beautiful, thriving outdoor space while minimizing their impact on the plant. Green gardening offers a perfect solution if you want to reduce your environmental footprint. Here's how you can make your garden both gorgeous and green. Benefits of green gardening. Adopting green gardening practice not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space but also contributes to the healthier environment. Key benefits include, guys, reduce carbon footprint by using fewer chemicals, conserving water and incorporating native plants. You can significantly lower your garden's environmental impact. Guys, improve soil health. Natural fertilizers and no-dig techniques enhance soil structure and fertility over time. Support for pollinators and wildlife. Creating habitats for bees, butterflies and birds helps maintain biodiversity and support local ecosystems. Guys, next option is peat-free compost. Going peat-free in a top priority for gardeners. According to the Royal Historical Society, the plants turn billions acres of peat bogs store more carbon than the world's forests combined, helping in the fight against change. Switching to peat-free compost alternatives is easy, and quality compost blends such a new horizon will perform as well as peat. Modern peat-free compost contain more sustainable ingredients such as wood fiber, coir and composted bark. These have been carefully adapted to provide optimum growing conditions. Look out for bags that are clearly labeled peat-free. Westland have a wide range of peat-free compost available for whatever your gardening task. Guys, next option is saving water is very important for gardening. Saving water conservation organization is a key aspect of eco-friendly gardening. Incorporate water-saving strategies to maintain a lush garden while reducing water waste. Rainwater harvesting: install water birds to collect and store rainwater for later use in the garden. Drip irrigation: use drip irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots of plants, minimizing evaporation and run off. Next is mulching, helps retain soil moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Guys, our next option is very beautiful and interesting for flowers gardening. Guys, again apologize to me. Please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline, and please watch till full my video. Let's move to our topic. Create a wildflower area. Wildflowers are a magnet for bees, beneficial insects and butterflies, and you don't need to own a meadow to marvel at their magic. A small patch of soil or a large containers is ideal for introducing nectar-rich blooms that will help in the battle against pollinator decline. Depending on your chosen seed mix, you can sow wildflower areas in either spring or autumn. There are blends available to suit different soil types. Transforming a dried lawn area into a wildflower area will increase your garden's biodiversity. It is also the ultimate in low maintenance gardening too. Hundreds of favorite blooms will lure pollinators in their droves: snowdrops, alliums, foxgloves, hollyhocks, lavender, and Bodleja are just a handful of bee or butterfly friendly flowers. Look out for the RSHH plants for pollinator logo when choosing plants at garden centers. The secret of success when planting bee friendly pots and borders is to select single flowers as opposite to full double blooms, where insect can easily access nectar and pollen. Ever popular Dahlia, Bishop of Llandaff, is a classic example of a dahlia that bees adore. Next is grow your own. Growing your food is fun and rewarding and can cut food miles to footsteps, which is so much better for the environment. Even in tiny garden pots, grow bags, vegetable growing budget friendly hack for every area of your home. Even if you are a beginner gardener,
garden look on the post by turning windy. Waters into planters hangs fresh herbs from a wooden platy or got organized with hand crafted plants markers. If you want to flex your dye skill, try building a small fish pond, bubble fountain, or orchard rails covered in the trailing plants. If you are building a brand new garden to revamp your current setup, don't forget to consider plants you would like to grow and each crop sunlight, soil and water requirements. Now start scrolling these outdoor photos to find an ideas that's compatible with your small space. Guys, they are shown in the ideas shown in this video are very worldwide best ideas. I hope you are like these today in this video. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like, comments and share with your besties. Thank you. Guys, a great option for beginners. Raised garden beds offer better soil drainage and don't require excessive tilling that can come along with an in-ground garden. Place small raised garden beds in the backyard, front yard, or even on a patio. Display multicolored flowers in a terracotta planter to save ground space. Take it a step further by recreating the beauty of a rainbow using red tulips, orange tiger lilies, yellow daffodils, and so on. This handcrafted sunflower sun catcher will add a dose of cheer to your outdoor garden. You will need a wooden flower and paint to get started, plus beads that will sparkle in the full sun. Turn an old wheelbarrow into a rustic flower garden. Just drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage. What's great about this setup is you can relocate your garden as needed. Summer flowers to enjoy in your outdoor garden all season long. If you are short on backyard space, hang flower-filled planters from the porch, white willow gutter and about 20 feet on of nylon rope are the main components of this adorable hanging garden. Get the tutorial art pretty in the pines. Help your crops grow taller and straighter with metal support stakes. Keep your plants off the garden and give them better access to sunlight while also adding visual interest to your small garden. Dedicate space for a small fish pond surrounded by the natural paving stones, then fill in the area with lush bushes and flowers. You will likely want to start with a pound liner, but keep in mind you will need an array of items to keep fish alive, like a pump and filter. Stay organized with plant makers, from tomatoes and cucumber to jalapeno peppers. Make sure you know exactly where your fruits and veggies are plotted with plant makers. Choose a sunny setup. Before building a garden, keep in mind that most vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, at least 6 hours of sun per day. Her daily design carefully considers the needs to each plants and chooses to use a mix of raised garden beds and planting directly into the garden. Everything you need to know about starting a vegetable garden. Transform a side yard. Use stake braids to establish a garden in one area of the yard, ideally the side closer to your property's edge. Bring in mulch and stones, then let trees and shrubs flourish. Guys, beautiful backyard decor ideas to create an outdoor oasis. Make the most of tiny spaces. If all you have got in is a small patio, use potted plants and trailing vines or to breathe life into the space. The end result is incredibly charming. Add grass, stepping stones. You might not have a huge lawn, but that does not mean you cannot enjoy a bite of grass, even if it's fox. These fox grass stepping stones are inexpensive to make on your own. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like and leave a comment for our better guideline.